If you're getting this error message in Flight Simulator 24, which says error server issue detected, attempting to connect to the servers with an error code 002400. So this issue appears to be Microsoft servers are down. As you can see, major news publications have already reported on this issue. Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 is experiencing long loading times and login issue. If you go to the Twitter page for Microsoft Flight Simulator support, as you can see, they have already reported on this issue. We are continuing to work to resolve the server related issues that have resulted in long loading times and service outages in Microsoft Flight Simulator 24. Users can check the current service status for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 on the Xbox support status page, which is this one. So this is a server issue. So Microsoft servers are down right now and will be facing this issue a lot. What you need to do is just wait. As you can see, someone asked on this, can you tell us if the login queue, too many users is trying to connect at the same time, actually works, or it's just stuck there forever? It's not worth the wait. And Microsoft just replied that the login queue is a queue of the users loading into Microsoft Flight Simulator 24. We advise users who are in the queue to remain on it, as leaving the queue will reset your position. So they just advise you to wait for this queue and the problem will be fixed. You just need to wait so that the servers are restored and you'll be able to play the game. So they have already reported on this issue, and the problem is Microsoft servers right now are down, and we hope this issue will be restored soon. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.